mai ki tēnei kiemu o te reina kua whao te rangitua tauri tēnei whakatauta mga tuaratuara tuaratuaria i raro iho I te toru rau ngāwhunga kura welcome to this. Hey, something's at the forefront of our first day here at Palmerston Intermission. This is for the A tournament, being a school that has under 300 students, or 600 of its co-ed. Here we have Kurapokuri's main Tauranga College. Look at their team lineups. With Kurapokuri here, we have 7 Pareawhiawhi Bill, 5 Fire Gate, number 13 Putiputu Kuhinui, 8 number 4 Raiha Bill, number 10 Hinitai Bill Corner, Akire Wano. Now coached by Mika Leota and the manager is Kansas Russell. And then for Te Aroha, we have number 4 Sky Diphthery, number 14 Amelia Green, number 7 Perrin DeProse, number 13 Nikaila Younger, number 10 Alice Arrows, number 5 Amohia Waititi, number 8 Tanika Parode, number 6 Ariana Parker, number 12 Tanissa Duke, number 11 Nicole Logan, and they're coached by Tasha Linden, assistant coach Pippi Linden, and then the manager Megan Diprose. Aroha mai Matuku, Kata, just reading this Kurapokuri team, and it looks like, I assume, it's a family of Beals, of Kohunuis, and then we have a couple of gates and a wano, so very much either sisters or cousins in this Kurapokuri team, so hopefully we'll see a bit of connection there, or we could see a lot of arguing, which I used to do with if I played with my sisters, so it's good to see that family affair there in Te Kurapokuri. Engari, I tēnei wā ai e toana Te Kurapokuri ki a Te Aroha. Whaia Te Aroha e tai makawhawhi, actually ko Te Kurapokuri te rei whānei ngā makawhawhi tēnei wā. Te whakanui ake te rikētanga o ngā piro I roto I te timatanga o tēnei kēmu. Nā mai ki te kōti whitu here, I tēnei wā, it's court 7 here at Nationals. We also have court 1 not at this time being live streamed, but at 4 o'clock. Court 1 will be back on live streamed. And I think the game there at 4 o'clock will be Barners College versus St. Pete, so make sure you tune in for that one. Ngari, tika I tēnei wā kia mihi kia whakaata Māori mo te whakaatu mai ienei kēmu mo te kore atu I runga I te purangi mā tērā ara I runga I te purangi tāia te mātaki rungi o wā pukuro I o rorohiko o whakaata mai te whakatau so te mātou a Māori mimi hoki kia Bailey's Real Estate kia Caltex Nativa and Apollo Project koutou hoki I tautoko ana I tēnei whakāturanga te whakātu ene kēmu me mihi hoki kia te taurawhiri te ao Māori o rātou mahi kia tautoko I te pāpāhotanga me te whanake I ngā kai pāpāho Māori so ngā mihi nui kia koutou katoa but back here in this game here on court 7 Te Kurapokuri still in the lead 5-2 to Te Aroha College. Both these teams competed in the North Island Championship, in the North Island kind of zone prelim tournament about a month ago. I think I read up they were in the same pool, so these two teams have definitely played each other earlier on to Karakorkuri getting that win that time, and so they will be slightly aware of each other. Oh, and that's a great shot there. Weiss, Guy, the theory for Te Aroha, able to get that 3 points and close up Karakorkuri's lead. Karakorkuri comes straight back and are able to draw a foul. Ngā Waikoko Kohunui. I would say their last name, but I think I have to say their first name because, as I said before, a lot of similar last names here in Karakorkuri. So I might have to say their first name and their last name for the range of this game, but Ngā Waikoko Kohunui able to draw that foul and gets both her shots in early. Engari, kia Te Aroha, te poro i tēnei wā. Rātou, te kātikina e te Karakorkuri, pare awhiawhi beo, nā no ka whai a rātou te hapa i te hara. So again, this time, number 5, Kaya, ko tērā tēnā marima, kai rei te tino kite. Ko te nama iwa, Ngā Waikoko anō, Mane Whiwhi, Ngā Maka Whiwhi. She'll have a chance to have another couple of throw shots. Just people that land one of those, and so time out here at the halfway mark of this first quarter. Currently, the scores have changed. Te Aroha are up 8 to Te Karakorkuri 5. Ko whaiwa whakata, ko whaiwa wānanga i a tima. Anō tāhui ki te mena ka tini ka ki te hirautaki. Ko i tēnei wā, tino tata nanga pero, I mean it's pretty close here. Tāraha, by one. It's pretty cool to get that turnover and push down the fast break, and they're able to equalise through Pari Awhiawhi Beale. Able to get that goal, so College work the ball around, just looking for a couple of holes here in the Karakorkuri defence, but unable to find any as they get the rebound and push down court. Beale's able to find Beale again. They don't get the shot, but they get the rebound. Eventually draw the foul, so not sure who will go to the line here. Ka haere oai ko Ngā Waikoko anō. Ko Pari Awhiawhi Beale mana Ngā Maka Whiwhi e tiki. E tiki i te mea tuatahi. Nāre e toa ana rātou te kau ki te waru. Haere tā te mea tuara hoi anō. Mā Kaya Gate te tūrapa anō a Pari Awhiawhi. Haere te uhanga i tā ana ia te kimi i te hara. Mā tērā te tīma, so Pari Awhiawhi Beale again to the line, able to drive in and draw that foul once again. off Te Aroha College, getting them in foul trouble here. So it takes her to the line. Te Aroha College committing 5 team fouls, and so from now on, Te Kura Kokiri will go to the line every time there's a foul. It's a great rebound. Rawe tira tira for Mahine Raumahi Bill. Able to get great positioning there, get out early. They're unable to get a goal. So Te Aroha Theory, she finds Tanisa Duke. She's unable to get the basket, so Kokiri again. Charging down the field. We have a child on the court. She quickly snapped up. Hinetai Biotona. What was it? Hinetai Biotona? I don't know, might. Would have drawn a foul. That was Hineromahi Bill. So Amana, Tuka Tirana Makawhiwhi. Tuka have been really disciplined here in this first period, not committing any fouls at the moment, so it's a testament to them and their coach, able to get the girls to be incredibly disciplined, knowing that foul slows down play, enables the other team to gain momentum, and so not committing too many fouls. It gives you momentum. Hoia no i te wā ka whiwhi piro pera when you're getting goals like that. Te Aroha, it's just keeping them in the game here. So, Kokiri, Hinetai, tika, tonu te whakahoki o Bill. They respond straight away. Kokiri, 3-pointers themselves. Get into the key there through Nicole Logan, but able to turn the ball over through some great D from Kokiri. Yeah, well done. Bill Thorner, drive in, puts it in there. Just keeping the margin large here between these two teams is this quarter. About 3.5 to go here. Te Aroha just throwing it around the perimeter, taking their open shots. We have a pushing foul from Kokiri. It will be their first foul of this quarter. So Te Aroha with the throw in. So fresh legs come on for Te Kura Kokiri. So kai takuro hoa no koeki ki te papa no Te Kura Kokiri. Kimi te rautaki, ka whai te rautaki ori te hoatuki. Rata tangata tāroa for Nicole Logan, but Te Kura Kokiri, it's a key to koro, and they go driving down. Able to get the basket. Koko Hanui. So Sky to Theory. Watu Ki Ariana Paka, Hoi no Kari, Tai Te Kami Tōna Hoa. Reira. Tikina. Te hara anō. Tēnā, saying a bit earlier, discipline from Te Aroha might be the way to go. I mean, that's about 8, I would say 6 to 8 team fouls already. They've been on 5 for a while. That could cost them towards the end as Hinetai Biotona puts up her 3 throws. Ko tira hara na Kyla Younger. Just being a bit, tactical about your fouls, not wanting to give away too many early, which will put you in foul trouble towards the end when you kind of need as many players as you can available on court. But Te Aroha with the ball now coming down the court. About 3 minutes left here. Just do that same around the perimeter. I guess they just wait to see if it will open up. Engari Rawe tira tira papa Hineromahi Bill with that rebound, and then does it on both ends, able to get down there and get the goal and the foul. So from a rebound to a 3-point play possibly here for Hineromahi Bill. Te rapi e whara ana, a kawe ki te whakatā. Tukuruanga kai tākuru whakatāna, ko eke i te kai tākuru hoi ki te papa. Ko pari awhi beo, rawa ko ngā kaiwaka kohunui. Rawara, so anyway, Ni Raumahi Beo able to make that a 3-point play, and then there's a well-deserved rest. Kia ora mo tētai wā, kia whakatā, ni ora waiwai. Ko eke hoki a raiha beo ki te papa. Awara, skauma toru ana kaila yanga. Ka whiwhi ai te toru, ka ahua ki te ana I te rautaki o te aroha. Tēnei wā, ka whiua haere, ki waho I taua rārangi. Nā ka toru, ka tatari, kia kimi te koho a ka whiu. Just kind of a bit of tactic there, seeing by te aroha. This pari a whiawhi gets that goal, they kind of throw it around the perimeter, that 3-point perimeter, wait for an open shot and then just take it, as they have done a couple of times. But Te Karakopi doing well to rush out and not allow that, just then obviously recognising that that's a tactic they'd used, but unable to get that rebound through Mākere Wano. So Te Aroha with the throw-in. Just under 2 minutes left here. This quarter, it's great defence there, not letting Nicole Logan get that ball up. We have Waikoko going in there, that's great deep on Te Aroha. Te kōroi tēnei wā, hoi anō, o tuki e Nicole Younger, ka hatu e ki tōna hoa, ka hoki anō ki aia. Rawe tērā, mai fire gates, ki te kōroi mo tōna tīma. Obviously, here late in this first, no one really taking possession, but eventually Te Karakopi well. Awhi not able to finish their deal. Engari, the fire gates, ka ari tā ia tuki I te kuru. Sergio Haru again on attack, just throwing it around that perimeter. Looking for a chance, an open look. Kapai, pari ati. Engari te ahu nei, kua tūki waho, but whakatau te kawa wau, and quite seeing the foot go on the line, so it will be Te Aroha ball. Open shot here. Amohia Waititi, hoi anō kari tāu. Te kimi, te kuru. Te kimi tūhanga miki. Able to find the rim, the hoop there. Hori ana, aroha mai, Amohia Waititi tērā. They go again, Te Aroha. It's great boxing up by Bori Awhi. Beo, and she looks up. And finds. That was well done, under a lot of pressure there. Finds Kinetai Bill Thorner. She'll go to the line. Able to get an and one there. Able to get a few points here, Te Aroha. Not able to finish, but they get the rebound. End up getting in prime position there. Mākere Wano. Rebounds, me matara Te Aroha I taua wā, e whakai ana rātou, kāhei ana rātou, ia Te Karakopi kia nuku ki mui a rātou I ngā wā tūpana winning. Kōkiri, get in front of them during those rebounds when they have front positions, so they'll need to look at that the second period. Just don't allow them to roll in. They nearly get it in, they try to get it into Nicole Logan. She's able to feed it out but can't make the basket. About 5 odd seconds to go. Toi ana, kia haere, tēnei hau whātua tahi. Yeah, ka mau mai te wā. Just waste a bit of time here. Bit of corporate. Only wanting to have the pass that can't make the connections. Mano mo tēnei hauwhātua o tēnei kemu I wanganui e tukura kōkiri rau ko te Aroha College. Ko tukura kōkiri te tīma whaha koa I taua hauwhātua tahi ki te ana, rawi tērā. Ki te ana I te ahu rautaki mō te aroha te whiu haere I te koro ki waho I te takiwā o te rarangi o te toru, maka toru, ka tatari kia wātea ki te I te uranga a ka whiu. He te wa kua tiki, he te wa kāri tiki. But you can see kind of strategy there by Waitaro making most of that 3-point. But at the moment, taking it to the basket. It's been good to see the changer. Yeah, but Kukupi dominating them physically and down the court. Able to get a few fast breaks. then commit that foul, making 3-point plays that way rather than getting 3 pointers. And here we have Puti Puhunui. With making that shot, I always like to look back at kind of teams' history is and how they played at the prelim tournament. So leading into this, so Tauranga a bit of a mixed bag for their tournament. They obviously played in the North Island tournament. They got early wins over Stratford, being able to win that by 10 points, and then got a few losses in a row against this team, Te Kura. So they've already played Kura. Kōkiri was able to win that one, and they lost to Whitby and also to Te Kura Māori o Mata. But they were still able to make it to the quarterfinal, and this was probably the most important game for them, their crossover game against Northland, that they were able to win quite convincingly, which put them into that 5 to 8 bracket. Well, they were in the 5 to 8 bracket, but winning that game meant that they were going to tournament because they were playing off the 5th and 6th now, and they lost that game to Opunaki, but they kind of won the most important game, which was that Northland game that allowed them to make it to nationals and not have to play off for that 7th and 8th position, which was the positions to go to nationals. So they did incredibly well there. And then contrary to them is Te Kura Kōkiri. Now Te Kura Kōkiri came second at tournament and had won all their games leading up to the final, but went down to Te Koutu, incredibly dominant Te Koutu team. But on their way they were able to beat Whitby, Te Aroha, Stratford, Northland and Ruamata. So they'll probably be wanting to meet Te Koutu again at this tournament, see if they could get them this time. Would be, you never want to lose a prelim, but imagine beating a team at this tournament at national, so that'd be good for them. So they'll be working towards that, as I'm guessing Te Koutu will probably be favourites for this tournament, for this A championship. But you know what? Kōkiri te pōro, e tuana rutika mawaru ki te tikau maono. But here te whakanuia ki te kētanga o ngā piro. They want to stretch this lead out. And they find right in the key there. That's Hore Awhiawhi Beale. Doing some good work there. Just finding space and connecting with a good pass into her. She's able to finish off with the basket. Tauranga here, number 3. Can't get that one, Ngari. Oh, Tatai whai. Ia hine raumahi. I te tūrapa hoi anō. Kairi tā te mau te pōro. Yeah, iu hikoi, yeah. Travel there. I think that was their number 5, Amohia Waititi, we'll see, but she was able to get a really nice basket and just didn't count. Have some subs rolling in this time. Waikoko, Te Poro. That's here. Hine Raumahi Peo. Kakumi. Ia whare Awhiawhi Beale anō, quiet. Kutoi te ki anō, kimi, Pākite, kei aia. But as I said, Te Aroha last quarter got into foul trouble reasonably early, but being much more disciplined in this quarter, only committing the 1 foul in 6 minutes, so it's good to see that they've kind of cleaned up in that way. He got that rebound there. I think they're number 11. Yep, they're number 11, Nicole Logan. Unable to pull it in, so Te Kura Kōkiri get that rebound and they put it straight back in. Ngā rika ki tētene rautaki, te rautaki tiu, te pōro ki waho. Kind of go around this perimeter waiting for an opening, whether that's a shot, whether that's into Nicole Logan, who's usually standing in the mid area of that key, and then she feeds it back out with the shot up herself. Te Kura Kōkiri here. Ngā waikaukau kohunui. Intahini rau mihi pio. Mea whiawhi. Indaha pio. Back out again. Such team effort here from Te Kura I think the ball was kicked in some way there, but they let play go on. Ono minute 29 tēnei haurua tuatahi. Whaiwai whakatā, hei nera mihi, kei ke mai hini tai bio tōna i te papa. I tai e Kyla Gates, whai te piro tuatai hoa nō kaki te mena I tāna, te whai te me tuarua, te kuru I te me tuarua, te rārangi makawhiwhi. Oh, I rawi te rā tūpana, it's a great rebound there. Strong rebound, gives it off to Nicole Logan. Nicole Logan to Kieran to Rose. Could be a to Rose. Ka whai rātou I te hara. Ko tērā, anai piti te ngā ringa o te kai, wow. Te kai mā toru pia, ko piti kohinu I tērā. It's a great shot there by Sky the Theory. Oh no, Sky the Theory could be number 7. It's hard to see with the hair, the covers. Two great shots there actually. Just no staying in this game here, Tauranga. Still a 15-point lead, but that has easily got him back and fought back through a couple of three points. Oh no, that was number 7, Kieran Rose. It's out by the foot of Kokiri, so Tauranga with the throw in. So Tauranga here, oh, and they rush. Oh, she gets that, wow. Great shot. Incredibly excited about it. Kyla Younger. Could be a 4-point play. It's a blocking foul. I think that was against number 4. Raiha Beale. Made a fight. Unfortunately. Oh, but I don't think they were aware that that was just one shot. Made a Kea Taroha to few. She'll look again. I'm able to get it. Engari ka tikia rata te tūpana. Momohia Waititi tērā, and they go for another shot. They can't land it. That's a great rebound by Nicole Logan. They're fighting hard for that ball, but pushing foul there on the Kyla Younger. Kura Kokiri. To get some position there, but Tauranga did well to get second chance shots, third chance shots, and try their best to bring themselves back into the game. It's no more hoi te raru I tēnei wā. Oh. Kara mōtere hoi anō kia kura kōkiri te kōro I tēnei wā. Te kaha, oki. Hōhine tai bio tōna hoi anō karita te whai I te piro, engari nā raiha bio I te matunga. Tiki e te tūrapa, ka whakaoki I te kōro, ki rato I te uhanga. Neira, tōana mai te kaumawhai tēnei wā, hua 5 minutes I toi ana. trying to get into the middle there but can't connect. But Logan able to get up, get that rebound, just fight for it. Great. Get it. She can't finish, but she gets her rebound. Mawakaka Kohunui. Rongoa nei o rātou, tō rātou kai whakaako, e kama whakakamakama i rātou, whakaihihi i rātou. And we have a timeout here at 4 Te Aroha College. Before 6-minute mark, so 4 minutes to go here. Ki mai i ngā miniti rua, ke whai wai nei, he whakatā, ka te ka tākuro anō. Mai te wā whakatā, just had a time out here in this game. We have about just over 3 minutes left here. So 20 minutes, oh, 5 minutes here, toa nei roko I tēnei kimu. I ngana ana, te kukokiri kia whai kuru, hoi anō kari, taia, engari. Tērā pia kua pau te wā. Yeah. Ko te raru kāre te poro I pai te uanga nō reira koai ka mohio nāwai te poro nā te mihi pau te wā. Hoi anō, te whakatau te kawa wao. Mai te kura kōkiri te poro. So, mā rātou whiu te poro, rauenga, nikianga. Ōhini raumei, Bill, no karitai te whai te kuru, tiki te tūrapa, tūrapa being rebound. Two words really trying to focus on today is tūrapa and tūpana. Two completely different skill sets but integral to the game of basketball. Tūrapa, that is to rebound, and then tūpana is to dribble. So I'm seeing a lot of that in this game here. A lot of great rebounds and a lot of great dribbling work or skill set here today. Whai te wā tā kahiki mai te tau ngā kōtiro mai te aroha. But it will be te kura kōkiri's ball to throw in. Haven't really been able to stretch their lead too much here in the second. Tauranga just doing a good job of staying intact. I've been committed a few fouls here later on. They were very disciplined at the beginning of this quarter after giving up quite a few in the first period. So I'll be generally happy with that. Just get a little better every quarter. As Pariawhiawhi Bill misses first shot, but she'll get another. And she's able to sink it. Engari, kia te aroha I te koro I tēnei wā, ka tūpana ki raro I te kōti, I te papatākoro. Tohu ana te kāko o te kurukōkiri kia rātou, e tahina ki hanga. And ka whitea I te hua, mahine raumahi Bill, e haria ki. Te uhanga ahakua, kāri tā te wātua tahi, whai te tūpana ka whiwhia te wātua able to get that shot up second time. Landed. Yeah, that's the plan. That's what they've been doing there, Te Aroha. Just throwing it around that perimeter. Getting those 3-point shots in. That was another one there. And that was... number 4, it's Spider Fury that got that last 3, but Kurukōkiri respond, just keep the score. Taking over. They do it again, they throw it around that perimeter. Don't forget, that's great defense, Kurukōkiri. In that time, Kala Younger not able to get it, but they're able to create enough pressure under the hoop to get the throw in back again. So now foul on again, another 3, can't hit that one. Ooh. Kurukōkiri, the rebound that time. Bring it down the court for Niraumahi Beale. Get it in there and back out. Tuhinetai Beale to enable to drive it in and put it up. Putting up a few shots here, not able to nail it at the moment. And Beale Thorne able to draw that foul. Trying to get an idea of the score. I think on the big one, 42-24 I tēnei wā. Reira e toana, te Kurukōkiri whātika marua ki a Te Aroha. Kua tikama wha ākua ngā piro I runga I te pawhakate I tēnei wā. Beale Thorne able to get her first. It's 43-24. Not able to get the second, but his rebounds again. That one puts Kohunu. Gotta get good positioning. That's well done. Guy Beale able to give it off to Gates to finish. A minute left in this first quarter. Scores on our screen here, a bit incorrect. I think Te Kurukōkiri are winning 43-2 Te Aroha College 24 at the moment. So just swap them over. Someone's going to the foul line for Te Aroha College. That will be number 6, Ariana Parker. Well done, she lands the first one straight through there, nice. Not able to land the second, but Niraumahi Beale brings the ball up court. Finds Gates on, and eventually Pariawhiawhi Beale able to finish off there. Takes Kiri to 47. It was a great shot there by Te Aroha. Kokiri finds Bill Thorner. Stunning three-point shot there, which takes them to 52. They push on again to put a Kokiri. Not able to get the goal, but they will take the first half in this matchup. 52 to Te Aroha's 27. So hoki mai. Mo te te wā whakata, mo te haurua tuarua o tēnei kēmu.
Ariki ki whakaata Māori me MāORI Plus.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah.
This isn't about long-distance calling, technology, or living overseas.
Do I have one more bid? Thank you.
We're going to go once. We're going twice.
And we are sold to the Kiwi phone bidder from Manchester.
It's about Bailey's finding buyers that others can't.
Hey, sport is about more than just the game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. It's learning when to back yourself or back your buddies. It's actually being excited to get out of bed early on a Saturday. Sport is about more than just the game. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
It's time for action. We are working to reduce the impacts of climate change, side by side, with nature, with each other, through research, investment, and practical innovation. Because nature is not a resource, it's a collaborator. Nativa, leading with nature.
Girls are twice as likely to drop out of sport. That's why 2 Degrees is committed to fighting for fair for women and girls in sport at every level. Get your Support Her merch and keep her in the game.
Get the MāORI Plus app. Download now on Google Play or the App Store with exclusive viewings and 100% ad-free.
Quite like top tier.
Watch us anywhere, anytime. Make MāORI Plus your mate and stream now.
Ki mai ki te haurua tuaro o tēnei Kiemu Wanganui I a tukura kōkiri rawa ko Te Aroha College. Tēnei wā e toa ana tukura kōkiri hakoa te ahua o ngā piro I runga I te mata nei, te whakata nei. E toa ana tukura kōkiri. Welcome back to the second half, beginning of the second half between Te Aroha College and Tukura kōkiri. Tukura kōkiri is actually winning. They're winning 52 to Te Aroha's 27. Hopefully we can get that score fixed on the screen because Tukura kōkiri have been incredibly dominant in this game. Just driving in really well, able to draw foul, will get points just like that through Pariawhiawhi Beale. Got to take this time to thank our sponsors. Firstly, Whakata MāORI for bringing this live stream to us all free of charge and accessible no matter where you're located. So incredibly lucky to have that. Also support from Bailey's Real Estate, Caltex, Nativa and a Proto Project. Sponsorship kind of enables us to share this event with you and your whānau. And finally we'd like to thank Te Taura Whiri for the valuable mahi they're doing to support Te Reo Māori commentary and development. So yeah, ngā mihi nui kia koutou katoa. Thank you so much for all your support here at this national tournament, both A and AA tournaments at the same time here in Palmerston North. Ki papaioia. So lucky for us who aren't in Palmerston North or the area, still able to watch these games, but if you are in Palmy, in the area, that's a beautiful shot. Waihine Raumihi Beale. If you're in the area, general area, Manawatu, Wellington, Wanganui, Hawke's Bay, make sure you go and support these girls. Head down to watch, head down to the arena. It's always good to have support on the sidelines for all these players here. And this tournament goes till Saturday, so if you can find a spare day, you can drive up, drive down for it. Do that to support your team or any one of these teams. And there's another 3-pointer there for Tukura kōkiri. Great shooting here early on in the second half. That one is Kaya Gates. And Aroha wanting to respond with the answer, he can't quite make it as Hine Raumihi gets that rebound and passes it on to Hine Tai Beale Thorna, able to finish off as well. Timeout by Te Aroha. Coach has seen enough. She'll bring her girls in, kia wānanga, kia kōrero, kia whakarite tei rautaki, kia whakatau I te nui o ngā piro kua whiwhia I Tukura kōkiri. So, hoki mai anō, whaimuri I tēnei wā whakatau. Te Aroha will start ball position here. And they turn it over. Nāne, kia tukura kōkiri, kōro, ka whio haere, ka kimi I te wainganui ara ko. It's put to kohunui tira. Te Aroha able to disrupt a wee bit here, but tukura kōkiri will have the throw in. higher gates. Oh, just a bit high there for Pariawhiawhi Bill. So, Taroha through here Waititi, back to Parent, it grows, but they turn it over. And again, Kura just applying too much pressure here. Oh, that was a good tap there by Nicole Logan, but unable to connect with her teammate. I think she was looking at just tapping it to Parent, to Bros. To Bros. Kokiri here. Through Hiniramihi Bill. Pariawhiawhi. Oh, that was a good hand there. They trap her immediately. Kokiri unable to get that ball out. Just throw it there. That's a foul, blocking foul here on. Guessing number 8. I'm not quite sure. Can't see the hands, but that would be her. Hiniramihi Bill. Hiniramihi Aroha Mai Bill. That 3-point again, and she nails it. Kayla Younger. Nice movement play there by Kukuri. Kukuri draw that foul in. More here, Waititi. I think she's blocking foul on her, so they were able to draw that foul. Kokiri will have the position here through fire gates. Finds Neil Thorner. She goes to work, drives into the basket. Can't quite finish. Spearing DePro is able to get the rebound. They're trying to trap her here. She'll look for an outlet. She finds it with the Younger. Oh, that was great work by Logan. Not able to finish, but I like the quickness of the ball passing and then just putting that ball up, not waiting for the defender to come onto her. But Kokiri respond pretty quickly. Got to get that fast break. The ball around, look for an opening here. Put that shot up pretty quickly. Time wasting, but that's a great tūrapa. Rawitira tūrapa. Mai Pariawhiawhi Bill, and she drove straight to the basket. You've got to make that a 3-point play. That was great work, strong work by Bill. Does. It's a 3-point play from Beal. About halfway through this third period here. Yeah, that's great work by Kokiri. They're moving out, not allowing Taroha to get these 3-point shots. They're still putting them off though. Taroha taking the opportunity. Oh, well done there. By Younger, able to take that contact, still get the shot off and get it in. So Miharo, Tira Pukinga Maiaia, Hatuanei Tonakaha, Ona, Pukinga Tinemiki, but Kokiri able to spawn quickly through fire gates. Just ticking points over here, Kokiri. And that's great shot there. There's Rose again. Something younger, putting some nice shots up here. Cool. See where she was looking, just didn't quite connect, but luckily Taroha hit that out. So Kokiri will have possession. 15 seconds left on the shot clock. Into 4 minutes left in this third quarter. And Bielthorner takes it and is able to draw that foul. Te newa, Bill Thorna aroa mai ki te raringi makawhiwhi, ka whai ai te me tuatahi. Te manaka ka whahuki te me tuarua. I need to box out here and get front position. They already have front position, but keep it. Oh, well done. Bill Thorna came in. Oh, that's great work. Go e tira tūrapa, ka whakahoki, whainga kuru, if up there for the rebound and we just put it straight back in there. It's outstanding from Kura Kokiri. Getting a lot of energy from their bench at the moment. What you always want. Looking for a 3-point shot here, Taroha. They get one, just not able to get it in the hoop. They're able to get possession back and they go for it again. Oh, that's well done. Why Nicole Logan just getting in there. Oh, it's caused that a foul. That will be on, I think it's Kuinui, that one. I think it was a jump ball, but it will be a foul. Rereira kei Taroha te poro. Baseline te rarangi. Umri. No. Nicole Maros hoia no ka haramai Bielthorner tiki te poro ka whai te kuru ka whai hoki I te hara. Great work there. Get that turnover, get the fast break, and then possible 3-point play again here for Bielthorner. Whahuki te tūrapa, that's great. Work by Bielthorner, able to get her own rebound and put a shot up. She can't nail the shot, but they had position. I guess Taroha put a hand to that ball, so Kokiri will have the throw in. Oh, she threads the needle, able to find the Onui there. Taroha te poro I nānei, so Taroha will have position now. Kokiri had a few looks there, unable to make them, so yeah, Taroha with position. Just been unable to penetrate here to Kokiri's kinds of defence, that just taking up that key, kind of forcing Taroha. Also, it seems like the plan of theirs for them to make 3-point shots because they just can't get into the key. So another foul here. What's going on, I wonder? Across the arm. So there will be 2 shots there. For Amelia Green, number 14 for Taroha. This is the first one, but there's another chance here. Get the rebound, put it back in. Unfortunately, it pops out. Amelia Green again, able to get that rebound, and Saui tira tūrapa mai Mohia Waititi. Whaihara, she's able to draw a foul, which will take you to the line. whaia ngā waikoko I kohunui I te tūrapa. Tupana ia ki raro I te kōti. Oh yes, it will be Te Kura Pōkiri. Small passes going around in the key here before Te Kura Pōkiri, but that time Te Aroha able to get a hand, but it will be Te Kura Pōkiri possession on the sideline. Around 2 minutes left in this third period here. And it's a great shot there. Great shot. Nice mid-range. It's Whiua Haere. That's Aroha I te koro. It's great pressure put up there by Pariwhawhia. They're all recognising that they like to kind of swing that ball, as I've said, around the perimeter. Just getting a body out there and forcing them to kind of come away more from that 3-point line. She's done that. More forced turnovers, able to get Te Kura Pōkiri in a fast break situation. Get it in there again. Too great. Out again until they find an opening, and they found one there. Of course, it's Younger again. It's been quite lethal from that 3-point line throughout this game, different points of this game. Gets in. 2 marking there, 1 more, and then eventually able to finish. Bill. Tiho, tai ki te kotahi minute, e toi ana I roto I tēnei kēmu. I think it will be, oh yes, it's Te Aroha possession here. Swing the ball across, drive in, Younger free again. She can't hit it that time. But I like what they did there, Te Aroha kind of penetrated the keep, made the D collapse and threw it out for the open look there by Younger. She's able to draw a foul. Off Raiha Bill, just getting her arms in there. Here in the Kaiwa Waikia Wānanga, a bit of a meeting going on by the refs here, not sure why. Oh, saw a push foul by Kaya Gates, I think. So not on Raiha Bill at that time. So Younger will go to the line. As Te Kura Pōkiri are in foul trouble, well not foul trouble, I'm sorry, they've committed 5 team fouls this Pōkiri here with possession. Not long to go in this third quarter, 22 seconds. Yeah, she was just a bit too close there. Mo here Waititi. Nō reira kua whakatau te kaua wā he haratira. Sure, Te Aroha, yeah, they're not in foul regulations, so it will be a sideline pass for Inetai Beothona. Finds Beal. Beal drives to the basket, hands off. Unfortunately unable to finish there. Oh. Rather high bounce there by Cole Logan. Te Kura Pōkiri hit it out. There won't be too much longer to go in this period. Need a countdown. Yeah, that's a jump ball, but it's coming to an end. So Pōkiri will head into this last part of this game with a healthy lead. 78, 242. join us back here. Hoki mai, inga minute e rua, mō te hauwha whakamutunga o tēnei kēmu i Wainganui, te kura kōkiri, raua ka te aroha, tēnei wai toana, te kura kōkiri, whitu te mawaru, kia te aroha whātika marua. Join us back here in a couple minutes. Hoki mai anō mō te hauwha whakamutunga o tēnei kēmu ki Wainganui I te kura kōkiri me te aroha Premier Girls tērā tīma I tēnei wā e toa ana o te kura kōkiri whitu te kauma waru ki te whātika marua kua tino hea te kupu dominate Ika mea te kupu I roto I te aka waino kua tino kaha te tākoro o te kura kōkiri I te aurata kai tākoro me ngā pūkinga tini I whakātu ana roto I tēnei kēmu hoi anō ko ki tētahi pukinga hoki I mai te aroha I tahi rautaki kia whai I ngā maka toru te aroha able to be effective at times through their three-point shooting, just passing around perimeter, waiting for an open shot and making it a couple times, probably not as much as they would hope but as early days in this tournament and once they get their wire in a bit more it could be a very effective kind of tactic for them but te kura kōkiri just dominant all through the court rebounding, they push, their fast breaks, they drive in, they're able to drive or dish, drive and put it up, able a few times to draw fouls and make three-point plays out of it so very good game here by Te Kura Kōkiri and they'll be happy with this start to the tournament. Hoi anō ko Nisa Duke ki te rārangi I tēnei wā able to land that shot. Kōkiri position just pass it around look for opening which they generally get once they get it in. Oh, that was a nice hand there. Oh, no hand there by Te Aroha, just thrown out by Te Kura Kōkiri, so Te Aroha with possession. Get it to Ellis Malson. Kieran DeProse drives to the basket, but umpire thought she took it all the way out, so Te Kura Kōkiri with possession. Unitai Bill Tona, Koro Kawhia atu. Kia ngā wakauka kohunui, back to Bill Tona. Kiti ia, ia piti kohunui, I roto rā hui anō kari I tāia te whai te kuru, te piti kohunui, but unable to finish that off the basket. So Te Aroha back out, running around perimeter, they see an opening there with Nicole Logan. She turns, feeds it off. It's a great play there by Te Aroha. Some good basic basketball, just finding it big in the middle, and she's able to dish it off. Two cutting players, and did that so well there, Te Aroha. Beal Thorner now in possession, she gives it off to Beal. Beal drives and cut, makes it, but she gets her in rebound and is able to draw a foul. Waiting for Bill to open up, and she drives him, but his hands over, she cannot see Hinemihi Bill. Yeah, gonna call there. God, that was such well worked from her, and well finished. Little perimeter pass in here, and they see the open three, and they land it. Keep them in the game, those threes here, for Te Aroha. They could make them a bit more often, which I know they can, and they probably will throughout this tournament. Just get better and better. Goes into Piti Kohunui, she feeds it off to Bill unable to connect with Kohunui there on the baseline, so fortunately it dribbles out to Te Aroha with possession. Quite pressure up high here. Kōkiri. Good hands. There, right, Tipiti, Kohunui. Find their middle, yeah. Really good when they're able to get it to that mid-range player at the top of the key there. She's able to turn and just dish it off, feed it off to anybody cutting. It's really difficult to defend there for Te Kura Kōkiri. So, probably te tini o te rautaki o Te Aroha. Te atu I te pōro te tangata I tuanei wānganui ka atai kahuri hia araka haere mai ngā tai tākororike mai ngā taha ririke ka taia te hoati te pōro te whai te kuru kiti ana tērā rautaki mai I Te Aroha ina nei. Just hearing the pros having a quick chat to the ref, some clarification. Beal drives into that basket, able to draw a foul. We'll see, yep. Chance for a 3-point play here. So Hiana ke, he tahi wā, wareware ana, e te hama kai tākoro Te Aroha. Te kētanga I wānganui ki te kotahi te piro o tahi te kuru I runga kuru rānei. Reira e tatiri ana mo te kuru tuarua hoi anō e kotahi anake. Reira me matāra me rite mo I ramo māhuatanga. Te Aroha at times, not knowing or remembering the difference, or when it's a one extra shot or two, and at times waiting for the second shot when it's only a one shot, so letting Kōkiri get in there for the rebound uncontested at times. It's a great play there. It's from that's Waititi, I'm pretty sure. It's a great rebound. Can't convert, but they still have possession, and that's Green who's put that up. Just can't quite make it, but great hustle there by Te Aroha and actually getting a look in and putting these shots up. But again, Beale gets down the court and gets good hands up from Theory. Got to deflect that ball and then gain possession from it again. But we have Younger. Oh, I think she has stepped out. Just on that sideline there. So Kokiri, bring the ball up here to Beale. Finds Beale Thorner and into Putiputikone. She tries, but some great D just hand straight up there from Te Aroha and they push down through. Again, Parker, I think that was. Parker runs into her teammate, the Theory, but they still get the rebound there. But can't put it back in. That's great work from Kohunui. Ngawai Koko able to push down the court reasonably fast and just use some nice footwork to get a free shot up. We'll go for the three here. Te Aroha can't make it that time. It's Younger. They get the rebound there, Te Aroha, so well done. Oh, and the second time, I think that one is not here, Waititi. Let's see your jersey number, but it's a great shot there. Second chance, 3-point shot. Hawthorne in position now. She finds Beale. Beale lost Kohunui. And what she did there, just unable to finish. Yeah, well done. That's great work there by Younger. Finishing really strong here at Te Aroha. So we timeout. Kawhaiwa, whakata. Te te wā poto, nā reira. Whakata ki te kāinga. Ki mai I te kotahi minute mō te toinga. Tēnei ki we'll just have a little rest here. Timeout, but come back in a minute or so for the remainder of this game. Ko tīmata I muri tua whakatā no I tēnei kēmu kia Te Aroha te koro huri haere ana I ringa I tawa rārangi ka toru hea ko mohia Waititi I te rawa kene ana I te ara kia whai pe toru e maka toru anō hea Waititi again able to opening and hit that 3-pointer. She's the second one she's hit in a row. It's good to see. And Beale here is doing what she's been doing all game. Trading into that goal, finding a way to get baskets for her team as well. Got a nice score there. Te Kokiri making it up to 90 points. So well done to them. Oh, here we go. Beale having a go there from quite far out. Oh, what happened there? Yeah. I need to figure out what that's called. into reo Māori. That can be my job heading into tomorrow. Double bounce. No reira, kia hine raumahi. Te pōro ka hoatu ia kia kohunui. Eri ka whiu atu a kohunui. No reira, te aroha here, able to get a turnover back again through Younger, who drives. It's really good D there. Wide, kura pōkiri, able to put her body in the right position and then use her arms to again gain position back, and Peel able to score on the other end. There's 2 minutes left in this quarter, this final game I should say. Timata anō te kēmu. Yeah, well done there and getting out on that shot, Beale. Kind of recognising Taroha to shoot those threes from out in that perimeter, so getting up there quick and putting pressure on the shot. See a bit of a misconnection there between the two Taroha players, so Te Pōkiri will have possession. Take wā te rua minute e toi ana I roto I tēnei kēmu. Reira, ki te here. Yeah, he koi a bit of a travel there from Makere Wano. See what she was trying to do, just trying to get that player off her. But unfortunately, the ball needed to touch the ground in that time. So yeah, that would be a travel. So Taroha again with possession. They also want to finish this game strong. Heading into the week, you always take confidence from each game. I mean, at least finish strong in the game, you know the potential you have for the next game. Just looking for a free shot here, using Nicole Logan has to get it in there and then dish it off to the available player. She does that so well. Tactic has also worked for them in this game. Te Aroha getting it into the middle there and then cutting off that central player. Nice hand there by Logan. Oh, that's a great intercept there. As Sky at Theory works the ball down the court and able to get that goal. Te Aroha looking up high down the court. Finds Beale. Beale into Beale. And Beale gets the points. Very nice. Unfortunately can't land that, but Mihi with Tudapa with the rebound, and that's great defense there. Betummel here, Waititi. No, that's the Theory, that one. Apologise. Beale gets the rebound, passes it up to Pariawhiawhi Beale, and she finishes off at the basket. Yeah, no long. Oh, and I think there's time up there. So Te Kura take this one, 96 over Te Aroha 60. Very strong game here by Te Kura. It's able to dominate all through the court on defence and also on offence. But Te Aroha saw some glimpses of brilliance through their three-point shooting, also getting it central and cutting off. So they'll be a team also to look out for throughout this tournament. But that's it for this fourth round match here, and join us back for the next round in a few minutes. Later, tēnā koutou, hoki mai anō, ka kite.
Ariki ki whakaata Māori me MāORI Plus.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah.
This isn't about long-distance calling, technology, or living overseas.
Do I have one more bid? Thank you.
We're gonna go once. We're going twice.
And we are sold to the Kiwi phone bidder from Manchester.
It's about Bailey's finding buyers that others can't.
Sport is about more than just the game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. It's learning when to back yourself or back your buddies. It's actually being excited to get out of bed early on a Saturday. Sport is about more than just the game. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
We love seeing sport in young people's lives. We know it plays a huge impact in what they can do and the opportunities that they have. And funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. When I was 12 years old, I made a rep team in soccer. And the guy, the manager stood up and said, right, the fundraiser, the tracksuits are only $20. And my mum looked at me and she started crying and she said, I can't afford it. And now being able to take that and go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through tough times. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others get involved in this. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get the bigger community, the bigger, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
Look, there's so much need in the schools, and it goes beyond just sport. There's arts, there's culture, there's a lot of things that kids miss out on. And so to have businesses step up and want to be involved and to help is a game changer for schools. It really is. They're so grateful for it, they're so appreciative of it, and they do amazing things with it. So every dollar has a huge impact on helping these schools.
It's why we get out of bed now. We now have staff who've joined us who say that's the reason why they joined Apollo. Because they know that when they come to work, they contribute to something that's just greater than our business. We worked out a little while ago that being part of the community was a part of who we were. And we sort of call it now, our sort of purpose is building communities. And that's just not the physical build. It's actually been able to help and contribute to the communities we operate in. And you know, when we now pitch to our clients for projects, it's the very first thing we talk about. It's not the last thing, it's the first thing, because clients want that, you know, whether they're a council, whether they're a corporate, it's part of where they want to go. And when we can show them what their building is doing away from just the physical structure, they're having an impact on the communities. It's very, very powerful.
It's time for action. We are working to reduce the impacts of climate change, side by side, with nature, with each other, through research, investment, and practical innovation. Because nature is not a resource, it's a collaborator. Nativa, leading with nature.
Girls are twice as likely to drop out of sport. That's why 2 Degrees is committed to fighting for fair for women and girls in sport at every level. Get your Support Her merch and keep her in the game.
Get the MāORI Plus app. Download now on Google Play or the App Store with exclusive viewings and 100% ad-free.
Quite like top tier.
Watch us anywhere, anytime. Make MāORI Plus your mate and stream now.